Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a story on Scratch so that you can make the best story in Scratch. So let's get coding. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go into a platform where we can type in Scratch and now take us immediately to Scratch. So for instance, I have Scratch right here, and now we'll tap this and we're in Scratch. So to make a new project, you click the icon at the top called Create right next to Scratch. Now in this video, we'll be talking about how to make our sprites so we're gonna make it flow like a story, like a book, okay? So let's take Abby. So this is gonna be like a little story, and then we're gonna be taking Avery. Now if you can see, I want Avery to be looking at Abby. So we go into Avery's costume and we will flip horizontally. We'll do that to all of her costumes. Okay. Now she is looking directly at Abby. Now we need a background, so we'll go get a background from Scratch. Now you are not going to be picking Arctic for a place where people are going to be talking, but if you want to, you can. And over here you can choose a type of backdrop or a theme. If you go to fantasy, you get fantasy. If you go to music, you get theaters, concert, and spotlight, sports. But what I want is indoors. And now I'm gonna go choose. Well, it's not for me to choose it here. So we'll go outdoors. Let's go to a bench with the towel. Okay. Now Avery and Abby are not supposed to be on the bench, so we'll put Avery right here and Abby busy walking here. And here's Avery. Now Avery looks very beautiful. Okay, now I'm just gonna try and move her hand. So as you can see, you can move the hand. If something goes wrong like this and you try to fix it but it ain't working, well then you can just click this button. Okay, now let's say Avery's busy telling her about how her life was. So we'll say when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to bench with view. And Avery is gonna say, hello. And then I wanted to say, haven't seen you in a long time. Okay, it's not that. go. Strong one. Continue a long time. Okay. Now Abby's gonna say something. Green flag clicked. Now if you don't want to say wait 4 seconds, you are gonna take broadcast and say message 1. So then Abby's gonna be like, okay, here's message 1. Oh, not new message. Message 1. And she's gonna say, I was very busy on holiday. I, capital letter I, went swimming. And so the story can continue. So if you just click this, we already have a story. So if you want to make a story in Scratch, this is a beginner's one. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like,